Well, that's not all. Walters says he also plans to go after districts that did not observe a moment of silence for Charlie Kirk.
News 4's Dylan Brown joins us with more on this. Dylan.
Jolene Kevin, Walters says that they have over 224 in fact, reports of defamatory comments, 70 teachers that they are investigating, 12 districts he says did not participate in the moment of silence he demanded they do for Kirk this week. A legal expert I spoke with says he can't do that.
This disgusting act, we will not tolerate that in the state of Oklahoma.
Superintendent Ryan Walters says they now have a list of egregious posts connected to the murder of Charlie Kirk. He says they can be traced to as many as 70 teachers who could lose their jobs.
And they will never be back in an Oklahoma classroom.
That's not all. He demanded flags fly at half staff, says 3 schools didn't do that. He demanded districts hold a moment of silence for Kirk. He says 12 districts refused. We do know, though, several districts like Deer Creek, Edmond, Oklahoma City said they have a moment of silence every day. Creating a second one would be disruptive. I talked to longtime employment attorney Mark Hammonds.
Is he allowed to do something like this?
No. What he's doing violates the First Amendment rights of teachers and the school districts.
Hammond says a private employer is allowed to fire workers, but an elected official like Walters, when it comes to this, can't take similar actions with a public employee.
And moments of silence are actually expressive speech, so you cannot compel someone or some group to have a moment of silence from the government.
Walters says teachers should follow the code of conduct. So we looked. Negative social media posts are not mentioned in the most recent version of it.
There are a lot of Supreme Court cases that say the government cannot take actions which threaten free speech rights.
Even the act of Walters investigating, Hammond says, is unconstitutional.
If they are get an inquiry from Walters, then they should get an attorney and they should sue. School districts should do the same.
Hammond says Walters is simply inviting new lawsuits, which could be costly to both the teachers and the taxpayers.
He does not have the right to do it. He needs to be reined in.
Another point, it would have to go really before the Board of Education before any steps could be taken on a teacher's employment. We've reached out several times to Walters' office for several days for a list of teachers, districts. They haven't gotten back to us.